After 3 years of racing and refining my skills in grassroots motorsport, it's time to move on. Karting has taught me so much about how to drive, racecraft, and handling the pressure, but most of all, how to keep going when I get knocked down. However, when I think back on the past 3 years, I'll think about the memories, the friendships, and spending my time in such an amazing paddock with some of the best people I've ever met. From karts to cars, this isn't just a new livery, it's a new era.
What do I think of the livery? It's good, it's very good. Very bold. I think that's kind of what I was going for though. It's a very bold design, really in your face, and it aligns with the Aiden Ingram racing brand really well actually. Of course it's not quite finished. I still need to add the names to the bonnet, but you can see the space quite clearly where they're going to be. And of course, if you want your name to be there, you can click the link in the bio and donate. It's going to be super challenging going from karts to cars. I think obviously the obvious main obstacle to get past is the handling differences. The karts I drove, they're very light, and really the way to drive them is you have to flick them into the corner and just be more aggressive with them. Whereas with the cars, they're a lot heavier and they're a lot more planted, meaning you have to be a bit smoother on the steering wheel, otherwise you will just understeer off the corner. But I'm looking forward to the challenge. So in terms of plans for the MG this year, the main focus is of course sprinting and hill climbing, as well as some test days here and there hopefully. But in terms of sprinting and hill climbing, it's basically where one by one the drivers will go out on the track, on the course, and set a time, basically like a big competitive qualifying session. I've got some awesome events lined up for this year. You know, only this month I'm going to Goodwood and Mallory in the same weekend, which is going to be crazy. And I'll be documenting it all on my new series called Revved, which will be on YouTube. And it's like my own little drive to survive. It'll take you through all the emotions and all the behind the scenes. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you like the livery.